Welcome back to the Money Magic Mindset 888 channel. Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of manifestation with Neville Goddard's powerful technique. Are you ready to learn how to manifest your desires quickly and effortlessly? If so, keep watching. First off, let me introduce you to Neville Goddard, a remarkable figure known for his teachings on manifesting that have helped countless individuals achieve their dreams. His technique is simple yet incredibly effective. Now, let's address a common struggle many face when attempting to manifest their desires independently. It can be challenging to maintain the right mindset and belief system consistently. Here's where Neville Goddard's technique shines. By emphasizing the power of imagination and truly feeling as if your desire is already fulfilled, you align yourself with the energy needed to attract it into your life. Imagine the possibilities that open up when you truly believe in the manifestation process. The key lies in trusting the universe and letting go of any doubts or fears that may hinder your progress. Let me share a personal success story using Neville Goddard's technique. I manifested a job promotion by visualizing myself in that role every day, feeling the excitement and gratitude as if it had already happened. And guess what? It became a reality. Neville Goddard's manifestation technique revolves around the power of belief and faith. By staying committed to your desires and trusting in the process, you can manifest anything you truly desire. Now, I encourage you to try out Neville Goddard's technique for yourself. Share your manifestation success stories in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire others on their manifestation journey. Remember, the power to manifest your desires is within you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the Money Magic Mindset 888 YouTube channel for more on personal development and financial success. See the subscribe link in the comments section. Let's make it happen together. Thanks for watching.